to myself. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We got a package from Acuity. We got a package. Is something else in here?
Is there?
I don't know.
More peanuts.
Sheesh! Stickers!
The sauce.
Grape juice.
The special sauce.
Type R. Type R. Look, they have a lemon gen.
Yeah, that's the new one.
That should go hard.
I didn't even know they were working on this car.
Hello jet tag.
Thank you, Acuity.
Thank you.
And now show them that one.
Are you guys ready? Come closer. Are you guys ready for this? Oh my gosh. Shh, don't. Oh my gosh. Shh. Oh.
More stickers.
Stickers. I like this one. Cable ties. Are you ready? Oh, she got some weight into her.
You do.
She little
heavy,
chunky. Wow.
So this is your new new collar thingy. So that will sit easier now. And she got a shift knob. We'll be putting in this on in a couple days. See you guys in a couple days. If you guys remember from a couple days ago, which by the way, the lip is on. This is why everything looks the same. It's literally the same day. But we're gonna be installing the Acuity Poco shift knob that she got from Acuity. So huge shout out to Acuity. Sorry. So I don't really know how this is gonna be. Hopefully it's easier than the other ones, but we'll figure it out.
This is what we got.
We showed them already.
Let's open it up. I'll show y'all again. It's so nice. Y'all can see it twice. So it's supposed to be insulated. So what that means is it doesn't get hot. It doesn't get too cold. Probably too small for your hands. Perfect for my hands. And low profile. So like right now it's like this. It should probably right here. Yeah. A little bit shorter.
Yeah, so it should also really throw the shifter a little shorter too. So first we gotta figure out how to take off the OEM one. No, probably like the 10 gen where you have to yank down on it.
Oh, good job.
That was easy. Go get the monkey grips. This is literally gonna be the fastest video ever. So we're gonna put like so much together, but go get the monkey grips, then we can loosen it.
Why? Just do it.
No, it's not gonna work. Trust me.
Why?
So it is a 14 wrench to get it off. No, you have to hold this, twist it, and this is gonna loosen it.
Like this?
Yeah.
Like that?
Vice versa. No, but this one's gonna go that way. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Gee. Easy clap. No cap. Oh my god.
Jeez. I'm gonna knock somebody out.
Yeah, this shit is kind of heavy.
Yeah.
So, OEM one is off, which is very easy. And here is the original one.
The original one?
I mean, the Acuity one. Take your boot off, because you got a new boot.
I'm gonna put this in here just like that?
Yep. Oh, maybe not. Alright, so we actually were doing it wrong. Yes, you do take this off, but you also want to take off the plastic piece here. So get yourself a little trim remover and work your way around the edges.
It's pretty easy.
So you can get it off.
Yeah, that's right. Got it?
Yep, and then there's plugs on the back side, which you'll have to disconnect.
Hiya. Hi. Yeah.
You pushing the tab in?
Yeah. Oh.
We're not pushing the tab in.
Well, I was pushing something. I'm pushing P.
What the fuck?
My nails aren't built for this. You do a little yoop yoop. Then there's a little zip tie. Let me go back because zip tie. Let's try this again.
Pliers.
Scissors.
Quick little promo time. If you guys want to go get yourself a shirt, go to lostminds.co. Support the team, support me and her, support the SI, support the Type R, and help us build our cars. Yeah, I mean, you guys have been buying a lot of merch recently. You guys are absolutely killing it. So thank you guys so much for that. Like I said in the last video, we are going to have a giveaway at the end of the month, next month. So it's going to start beginning of the month, go to the end of the month. So I pretty much run throughout the whole month. I don't know what we're giving away. Could be something from Acuity, could be an intercooler, who knows. But let's get back to the video.
Scissors, and you do like this. And then you yeet. And then this. Should I flip it inside out?
No.
Take it out.
Yeah.
Inside out?
Yeah. Should push right through.
Should push right through.
Just like that.
And yeet.
So you want to get your new one.
Should I make it lower? Should I make it less?
Huh?
Should I make it less? So it's not as baggy?
You can. Then you want to grab your collar from here, which is currently on the shift knob right now.
You pull to release?
No.
What? Oh, I don't know. I just work here.
What are we doing now?
I'm zip tying it. Easy peasy. Make sure it's tight. Looks tight to me. And you do a little snippy. Little circumcision. Are you tight? Alright.
Okay, we finally got it figured out. Now we're gonna plug everything in. Snap it all back in. You know how to put that back in.
This?
Yeah. Oh, by the way, if you guys were looking how the short shifter looks, hold on. It's kind of weird. Not as tall as the other one was.
Oh yeah. Oh wow.
So just a little FYI there.
Yeah. Snap. Snap. Snap.
Now you grab your shift knob, which I don't know where it is.
Do we have to put a adapter? Or
No.
Just keep on oh, it's just a really long twist. Wow.
Oh shit.
It feels a lot shorter, huh? That's crazy.
Okay.
Oh, a shift knob could make that much of a difference?
Yeah, it's because it's shorter.
Yeah. I didn't know that. I thought it just, I don't know, just different in my hand. That feels like really short.
Yeah.
I like it. Sleek. Aye.
Just like that, the shift knob is on. Now I gotta go edit the video, get it up for you guys, and then we'll continue this one. So I'll see you guys in a jiffy. Alright, it is about a couple days from the shift knob install video that you guys have seen. Huge shout out to Acuity for sending out the shift knob. If you guys want to buy anything from Acuity, whether it's a short shifter, a shift knob for yourself, click the first link down below and it'll lead you right to the Acuity website. It is an affiliate link, so make sure you guys hit that button and go buy whatever you want. I am running the short shifter on my Type R. I freaking love it. It's amazing. It feels good. I have had 2 different short shifters, the Hybrid Racing and Acuity, and Acuity does for the best, and it's fully customizable, so you can customize it to the way that you want it. Why does my microphone look so weird? But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm exhausted. We just came back from the Honda Super Meet, which you guys will get that vlog in a couple days. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. We woke up very early. It's about 9:30 at night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you guys need anything or want to get anything from the website, make sure you guys click that link down below. If you guys want to get any clothes, any merch, click the link down below as well. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Dab. Peace.